All roads lead to the capital city, New Delhi, one of the most wonderful cities on the planet. And we welcome the Dutch from Amsterdam. It's the Netherlands who come to Delhi, and from the vast wilderness of Namibia, we have the Namibian Eagles who descend upon Delhi for their first match in this ICC Men's T20 World Cup. And for the Netherlands, of course, it is their second outing. The toss won by the Netherlands, and they've decided to bowl first. Netherlands against Namibia in group in New Delhi is looking in pristine. Trumpelman, the left arm seam bowler, the keenest sides in opposition against eight on this ground. Got here, Carlos, what has this ground got?
Kind of watch that first, second over, but then I don't think he'll change much throughout the fourth.
Of Aryan Dutt to start, as he was a lower order all-rounder. Aryan Dutt's form camp, best of 51, and it.
Through the gate. On it.
That'll feel good, just to get the single off the first ball you face. Well, you've been out there, you know. Tucks it down the leg side, that'll run away for four. He's got the wrong line here from Bake, and he pays the price.
Yeah, a nice little tuck.
JJ Smith, Zane Green, tag him off. Outstanding bowling by Aryan Dutt. He lured Steenkamp down the pitch, fell into the trap.
Gone for 6, Namibia 10 for 1.
Oh, you can't bowl there. Leg stump half volley, gets punished. He lost his line and he's lost his length, and he pays the price. Bang! Straight back over the bowler's head. That is wonderful ball striking. Frelink.
There's deep square leg and deep.
From his crease. Straight he goes, and with power. And this is what he brings to the lineup.
Sometimes that's all you need to do. Stay where you are and watch the ball. Be bold in your arc.
Saw the opportunity to go over the top on the offside. Haven't seen enough of that yet from the
Every over, keep way better.
Something needs to give for Namibia. Is this the start of a little bit of momentum for them?
Even this one from Frelink, hit it slightly early but was in the gap. A welcome boundary for them.
Looking to go across the line, and it'll be the Netherlands who will celebrate. Logan van Beek is someone they rely on so often to pick up wickets, and here he is again.
It goes for 30. Namibia are...
Big shot down the ground. Now then, timing not been straightforward, but that will do nicely. Lofty Eaton is a big hitter, and they need a little bit more of that.
Yeah, he's been there for some time now, so he's got...
Here we go again. Good example, a little fortuitous, but staying leg side of the ball, trying to go with the spin.
Yeah, I think more than anything here is the intent that's being shown, and usually...
Great work with the feet, just to manoeuvre himself. Yeah, he's pumped up, and he knows that this is a really important time in the innings, because they might feel they're just a little bit behind.
Yeah, he really enjoyed that.
A little wider of the crease this time. Similar result, not 6 but 4. Just beginning to get going now, Namibia.
Yeah, some bit of acceleration. 13 runs in the...
Short, hammered away, not the middle of the bat, but may well go for another boundary. Does indeed. What an over. The skipper is ticking along nicely. Taken. Good smart catch. And they needed that. Baz the leader into the attack. It was short of a length. They have had success bowling short of a length in the previous game. And that very effective short.
He's gone for 18, 95 for 3.
The pitch.
A bit later on, there's a...
Starts with the short wide one that will be dealt with harshly. And that will just wake him up. He'll realise that Namibia are just beginning to get... Gone up, not got the distance, got the height, should be taken, yeah. And that is a big moment for Netherlands. Lofty Eaton was playing nicely. And that was a
lot of time out there for his 42.
Zane Green. JJ Smith goes big. How big? Has he got the legs? Just. JJ Smith is the danger man here.
Everything is pinned on JJ Smith here in Namibia.
Knocks him over this time. The leader strikes. The lights come up and they've gone out for Smith.
He's been castled.
Now Namibia, Ruben Trumpelman. Reverse. That'll do. Innovation pays off.
Clever, very clever from Green. Again, shot third man's up, playing the field. It's exactly what you want to do in this phase of the...
It's gone again. Man underneath it takes the catch. Max O'Dowd out there underneath the ball. This time the reverse. Enough. Zane Green's gone for 9. It's key. Wow, what a smack! What a noise that has made! Ruben Trumpelman.
How good is that?
Short. Hit him in the ribs. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He didn't know where he was. Confusion out in the middle. And Trumpelman is going to walk back. Making his T20I debut. You only get one. They might look for second. They're going to go for the second. The keeper should take the bails off. Scott Edwards does that.
Wanting with the score. So 157
the target. 156. Must be said.
Namibia felt at the toss they were a little bit defend this total. In 2022 at that men's T20 World Cup. They defended 163 against Sri Lanka in Geelong. Very experienced opening batter for the Netherlands. Mantle. That strike rate 120. Not a bad start at all. Carlos Brathwaite alongside. Do they have enough on the ball?
Trying to slide the ball back in. There's deep.
T20 internationals, very aggressive players. Aggressive. Brilliant, flat and hard. 6 it is, 8 without loss.
Peril.
He saw the offside field and he found a way. We were just talking about that offside field and the trap they're trying to set, but he finds a way, Max O'Dowd.
Brilliant cricket. Saw the trap set.
Background. Scholz gives his captain a wicket. O'Dowd looking to be aggressive and use this power play. In the end, will make his way back to the dressing room.
16 for 1. That's the offside.
He's going to continue to go for that leg side boundary. This time, the timing is better. It's 23 for 1. Made some room for himself. Yet again, eyeing out the leg side.
Ball.
It's 31 for 1.
Trumpelman gets smacked. Fielder underneath it is just a spectator. Trumpelman felt it was close enough, but it was far enough. He's now, man underneath it, must be gone. It is gone. The end of the danger man. Levitt tries one shot too many.
And it's time for drinks. This bowling type will be back.
That was beautiful. There was a little pause in the swing as he read the speed of the ball.
Yeah, well caught there, Nansen. There was definitely a pause in that shot. Slower ball, rolled his fingers over it, and paused.
Cracking in front of square, into the gap. What an over for the Netherlands. It's 90 for 2. Castellada is an important cog in. Beautiful use of the feet. That is fabulous. What a way to bring up the 100 for your team.
Yeah, nicely done. Actually seconded my point there. That won't make a difference for a man of his height. Because he also bowls it slowly. It's not coming quick through the air.
He's in some form with the bat at the moment. He's hitting them so clean, and that has gone a long way.
That is clean, and in the second tier,
the proper bowler. Namibia have another chance. This time the captain makes no mistake. Not a big celebration as the
116 for 3, and it is.
This belongs to the Netherlands through his career.
Nation here. Hammered down the ground. Perfect way to start the last few overs. Beautiful placement and power. And that is an innings of real note. Baz de Leede has played well with ball in hand, and he
Be suiting up to bowl the next over, I'm sure.
hammered, absolutely hammered, and just about in front of square. Picked it up early. Very good square of the wickets, the captain, Scott Edwards. And that's a real statement from him. Still a ball to go.
Never stays put, does he, Scott Edwards?
Not a 6, which is exactly where that has been deposited. Scott Edwards, so good square of the wicket, yet again.
That's not the result they wanted, Namibia. Scott Edwards has this ability to just...
And 6s, and big 6s like that. They are almost there. That is a fantastic strike, and it is a fantastic innings. Finds the gap, perfectly placed, and that is a statement win. It really is. Pressure on for both these sides coming into this one. And Netherlands very, very strong. Firstly, we...
प्रोफेसर, जब आप किसी से पूछना चाहिए आप कहाँ जा रहे हो तो इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Where are you going? Person 1. Where are you going? Person 2. I am going to school. प्रोफेसर, अब पूछें आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Where are you coming from? Person 1. Where are you coming from? Person 2. I am coming from market. मैं बाजार से आ रहा हूँ प्रोफेसर, अब पूछें आप क्यों जा रहे हो इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Why are you going? Person 1. Why are you going? Person 2. I am going to work. मैं काम पर जा रहा हूँ प्रोफेसर, अब वक्त के बारे में पूछें आप कब वापस आएंगे इंग्लिश में कहेंगे When will you come back? Person 1. When will you come back? Person 2. I will come back in the evening. मैं शाम को वापस आऊँगा प्रोफेसर, अब शाइस्तगी से बात ख़त्म करें उर्दू में अल्लाह हाफिज़, इंग्लिश में गुड बाय, टेक केयर पर्सन 1. गुड बाय पर्सन 2. टेक केयर